Hey, welcome to the Transformation Entertainment Group booth. We're in North Hall, N7463, and we're featuring the Appotronics product line. Appotronics is an all DLP-based projector, and it is truly amazing. We have here the MK-750 and MK-650. Both are 4K single chip projectors using Appotronics ALPD 5.0 technology. The projector comes with a 1.1 to 1.6 zoom lens as standard with the price, and optional short throw lenses are available. This is the MK-750, and as we pan over to the left, you can see the MK-650 with an ultra short throw 0.5 lens. For more information on these projectors and more, you can go to www.transcentgroup.com.